How to tighten the vagina. Loose vagina is a common miserable health condition in women. Because of the loose vagina, most of the women kill their sexual desires or often have less sex. It is not a solution, at all. You can cure or tighten your vagina at home. Here are some natural methods that you can apply and have a tight vagina naturally as well as rapidly. 1. Aloe Vera Gel. If you are looking for a natural and straightforward method to tighten your vagina, using aloe vera is an ideal solution in such case. It restricts vaginal prolapse because of its astringent, cell proliferant, emollient qualities. How to use. Take fresh aloe vera leaves and extract clear gel from them. Now smear the gel on your vaginal innards and leave it. Apply the gel several times a day to get positive outcomes. 2. Garlic. It is another herbal and essential treatment to tighten your vagina efficiently. Also, it roots at the bad odor out of your vagina and makes it strong and healthy. How to use. Take 2 or 4 fresh cloves of garlic and peel them off. Chew these raw garlic cloves on a daily basis with an empty stomach. You can prefer cooked garlic instead. 3. Yogurt. As yogurt carries lots of health favorable effects, it cures your vagina and tightens it enough. It contains lots of healthy bacteria that maintain your healthy vaginal health and balance its pH level. How to use. Take a cup of fresh and pure yogurt and consume it daily. You can add some salt or sugar to make it more delicious. It will not only tighten your vagina but also ward off infections. 4. Gooseberry. It belongs to the family of excellent herb that delivers fantastic effects in favor of your vagina. It helps to tighten the walls of your vagina and cleanse it thoroughly. How to use. Take 10 to 12 fresh gooseberries and put them in a bowl of warm water. Boil them for some time to get an opaque concoction. After that, allow it to cool and store in a bottle. Spread the solution on your vaginal area by using a cotton ball. Do this practice daily before having a bath to get sound positives. 5. Witch Hazel. Using witch hazel is one of the potent natural methods that tighten your vagina naturally. It is an old age method to utilize the bark of witch hazel to stretch your loose vaginal area as it is an excellent source of astringent properties. How to use. Take some bark of witch hazel and grind them to form a fine powder. You can use powder directly on your loose vaginal area, or you can prepare a paste by adding a little water to it. Go for this procedure just once in a week. That will be enough to cure your concern shortly. 6. Organic protein. One of the best formulae is to consume organic protein that delivers you a tight vagina rapidly. As protein is known to build your muscles, thus it makes your vaginal muscles healthy and robust to a great extent. Hence, it is highly recommended to involve veggies, organic fruits, and ample amount of organic protein in your diet to have a healthy and tight vagina. Visit BillyHealth.com to know more about how to tighten the vagina.